Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel again. It's me, Ruthie, and on today's video I'll be showing you all how I made this braided afro hair. If you love this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment below. So on today's video I'll be using this regular mesh dome and lace recap, which I get from my local beauty supply store. If you're familiar with my videos, you know I usually use this always whenever I want to make any of my braided wigs. So I'm going to be going in with my braids, and I'll be leaving the link to this or how to make this braid in the description box below, so you could go watch it. So this is the style I'm going to be using for today's tutorial. It's going to be like a two-step, so I'll just place them on their right parts and go in next to the next, or go on to the next stage. I've actually made something very similar to this style in my previous video, so I really don't need too much explanation, but I'm still gonna explain. So on this side, if you're not familiar with wigs, like you're a beginner, you could just like mark out the places you want to put all this so you don't miss your step, okay? And in my early videos, like my previous videos, I said something like you could use a glue to also glue this hairs down, so you'll be able to sew them perfectly if you're not perfect yet. So that is it. So I'll be going on to place the other side of the wig. So right now I am going to glue them very fast. So we're all used to the gluing method, but yeah, that's what you're seeing. I just glue them just the way I laid them down, and that's why the pin or the wall pin is also there, so you'll be able to like keep track of what you're pinning and like don't lose the position of where you placed your braids earlier. Just a quick reminder, please, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, watch other videos, and leave a comment below. You can ask me whatever question you want to ask me. I'll be there to always answer. So the next stage is to tuck the hair down, tuck the braids down at the end, or like to the desired length you want it to be at, and then you cut it. And this tucking method helps in holding the hair down so that whenever you want to cut it or burn it, because you have to cut the hair, so whenever you want to cut it or burn it, you'll be able to like, it will be able to stay like that, it will be able to stay put, it won't loose till the end, you know. This tying or this tucking and tying would actually help to like not make the hair loose till the end. So wherever you tuck it, that's where your hair would unravel to. It wouldn't pass that place. You would actually see what I'm talking about during this video. So if you really want to watch it or see what I'm talking about, just keep watching this particular clip. You get to the part where I cut the hair, and then it actually got loose, but it still stayed there. So if it's actually your choice if you want to burn it or you just want to do whatever you want to do on that hair that has gotten loose. But yeah, if it's just there, you're fine. You can still do whatever you want to do with it, or you can go in with burning, but I wouldn't advise you burn because it's definitely gonna touch your wig cap, you know. So this is the Cuban twist hair I'll be using for today's video, and I'm going to cut the back parts into 4, then I'm going to cut the upper part into 3, so I have that longer length. So I'm going to just divide each strands of hair into 2 parts and just install it the normal crochet way we install hairs, okay? So once you get to this part of the hair, you're actually going to crochet this hair on the braids itself, okay? That would give it a nice closure look, and like it's going to make it come together and make it like a whole hair once you crochet this hair on these braids, just like you're seeing right now. Then after you do that, you're now going to actually use your hands. You could use your comb, but it has to be a spacious comb. It will be really spacious and big, so you don't like pull off the whole hair. But if you don't want to use your comb, you can use your fingertips, just like I'm doing right now, to just separate the hair and make it align together, make it look like a real Afro hair. And then you bring some to the front and just take care of it, and also go in with the trimming, just trim the extra hair flying out and all that. So guys, after the trimming, this is what the hair should be looking like. Girl, I love it already. I love the braids. I love everything about this hair. It's just that I don't really like Afro volume hair. So guys, like I don't always wear Afro hair so much, but I love it. I love it. So guys, if you love this video, don't forget to like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new videos. And also don't forget to leave a comment below. I don't know if I've said that before. So guys, I love you all so much. I'll be seeing you on my next video. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, stay happy, stay safe. Bye.